nandito kami sa Kauai. It's a part of island ng Hawaii. Madalong likara.
Fishing here. We do have fresh and salt water.
Ito siya, oh, meron dito sa palo. Diyan, daming guyabano. Let's see. Oh, look. Okay. Subscribe na! Today is day 3 na namin dito sa Kauai. It's morning, kagigising lang namin. Mas advanced dyan sa California ang time. Dito ang time is, what time is it now? Its time is 5:39, pero pag sa California ka na, 5, 6, 7, 8:39 na doon. Kaya ito, gising na kami. At nagre-ready, nagbe-breakfast. At ito ang buong pamilya, kaming 4 na naman dito. So we say hi and good morning to friends and friendship. Yeah, okay, ayan. At dito ako, nagka-coffee na kami. At hinihiwa ko itong papaya. Today is day 3 na namin dito. Ayan, hihiwain natin. Ayan. Ang guava at saka papaya. Yes, ba you want? Ayan, breakfast ko. It's papaya, guava, and avocado. Kay Zoe is avocado. Okay. Kailangan ko mag-ready na at kami ay mag-walking. Oo,
Something different.
walking kami, my friends and friendship. What time, Cha?
Right now, 6:24.
6:24, medyo malamig-lamig pa.
Pero agaw.
Ayan. Kaya maiinit ito. Dito kami dadaan. Babalik kami doon. Ay, oh, Cha, oh. Sige, ato man tikara kita agto. Tiga kabasa, tabo, hamog.
Sa gawa.
Ngani.
Kabi na karaboy. Sus, nakakaboy.
Yung pang beats, ako nga na. Tingnan niyo si Zoe, walang ginagawa niyan sa buhay niya. Pag mula nung dumating kami dito, hinahabol niya yung mga manok.
Sir, this is dead end.
Anak akong pututan ka ng nanay. Dakpat obing.
That's like a kid. No, that's not a baby. That's a kid.
Sino ba sa nag-iitlog?
Brown shop.
Para sa mga binit-binit.
Para makabaho ako niya to sa susunod.
Ay, iba matala pagbaho ka riyat, imaw sa liwan. Imaw sa liwan. Hindi talaga ako nabuboard sa ano dito.
No, it's called
Ali K.
Coco Chanel.
Ay, ano din pala doon, Chao? Another pa? Ay, okay. Hinahabol na nga yung mga... Wala nang pinaggagawa. Yan, kung habol lang habol sa mga manok. Parang, ngayon lang kasi siya na, parang nagising na, ay, may manok. Sabi, may mga... Ayun pa, oh. Ang daming manok, no? Walang may nagmaari niyan. Ay.
Hindi ka babos at manok because they don't have predator.
At wala namang...
There's no snake. There's
Oo, no.
Going to
no one
Andy.
eats them.
Clips at the Princeville.
I'll just stay at the cliff.
Ayun na.
Sa tunga.
Kalmado ang ano ngayon. Kalmado ang mga... Huwag ka. Hindi tayo eat chicken alat. Pero tingnan mo yung bumubula na yun. Parang may lumalangoy, no? Tahimik na tahimik. Wait. Don't you know nasa lugar na yan? Ayun, may lugar din. Ayun, Chao. Hawaii din siguro yon. Yung parang bundok. Oh, ayun, oh, doon. Oh. Ha? Yeah, yun yung sinasabi ko. Walang kaano. Ay, ang daming gutaw doon sa baba, oh.
That's boy.
Oh, sarap magawa ng
So
laing.
walking.
hamog sa umaga. Ayun na naman. Friends and friendship, gano'n naman talaga. Ayun sa baba. Oh, may mga tanim pala doon. It's a field land.
Yeah, I want to start all over again.
Maulan-ulan ngayong morning.
Let's start all over again.
It's 6:58 in the
That will
morning.
keep us alive.
Almost 7.
Keep us young. You know that.
So, you know where we're
I don't
gonna
have
go?
Zoe.
We're gonna go sa store again. My breakfast. It's a pata. At doon kami kakain. Sa labas kayo lang. Malayo sa upuan. Ayoko na lang doon. And look at Zoe and the mommy. Breakfast. Ba, ang bilis ito matuyo yung mga damit mong yan. Dito sa Hawaii, o sa Kauai, ay sagana ang fruits dito sa lugar na to. Maraming mga fruits. Kaya kahapon, namili kami ng mga prutas. Ito, nagbili ako kanina ng itong croissant. Tapos, malis kami pumunta ng store. Bagong loto. Ang alas kami mamaya, punta kami sa ano ba yun? Limot ako pupunta namin. Basta ako sama lang ako ng sama. Galaw ng galaw. Dali. Umuuyog. Hindi na umuuyog yung table. Kasi nilagyan ko ng yung pangsangga. Sarap yung sabaw. Maaga pa. Ito kahapon yung binili namin. Oxtail. At ginawa namin sabaw. Kasi namimiss na namin ang sabaw. Pagmula nung dumating kami, parang uhaw na uhaw ka, gusto mong kumain ng sabaw o gulay. Naharapan ako dito sa croissant. Dahil may palaman na kaagad. Mayroon parang may oil na. Malinamnam. Ay, hindi na ako nakapag-invite sa inyo. Kain na tayo. My friends, hindi pa naman ako. Kaumpisa ko pa lang, kain tayo. Marami pa kaming activities na papuntahan. Kahamantalahin namin we're on vacation. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Anong balik si Ibit?
I know, but tired.
Kanami,
Maybe
gito.
brew up.
Tsaka namin ang kulo, no? Ito man.
Later, I'll get it when I watch it.
Big one.
Ito ang kalmado dito ng beach nila. Hindi siya masyadong maalon, pero kung doon ka sa kabila na yun, grabe galit na galit ang alon. Kaya nandito ang mga tao, allow dito na mag-swimming. Ayun si Zoe. Siya ang nakakaiba ang kulay. Tingnan nyo ang mga kulay ng mga ibang ito. Puro mga hilaw. Puting-puti. Nag-iisa lang ang apo ko doon, oh, na ang kulay niya. Pero ang ganda ng skin at ang kulay ni Zoe. Walang kaiba sa lahat. Smith Family Garden. Ano ba? Luaw. So, nandito kami. May show daw. Hindi pa ako nakapunta kaya wala akong masasabi. Anong buko? Buko. May sisaw. Just hold it. Don't put it right away. Okay. Oh, look, there are a lot of chicken, Chloe.
Oh, cool down naman. Look at
Oh.
the way it's coming too. Sorry.
Oh.
Different parts were raining, some wasn't, just on and off.
Guys, we'll be taking a short 10-minute ride around our 30-acre garden. Now it's a natural garden, so along the way I'll be pointing out some trees and flowers. It's an underground oven, so at 6 o'clock this evening, we're going to tell you more about the bananas at the Imu ceremony. Right? Coming up shortly, you'll see the Hong Kong orchid trees. Now these are the trees with the little purple flowers on it. Moving over to our lagoon off to the right, we do have a lot of fish in here. We do have fresh and saltwater fish. We have barracudas, channel catfish, fresh and saltwater bass. We have tilapia, silver mullet, and we do have shellfishes. They're called the Samoan crabs and the Malaysian prawns. Now you haven't tried
mga
koi.
mayroong
We are
mga
serving some at the luau
ube,
tonight. You
yung
want to try
magawa ka
the
ng
koi?
laing.
Take some of the kalua. Here's our little Filipino house.
Filipino house. That's
You
your
may
house.
notice as you enter the park this afternoon,
Filipino
lots of chickens,
house.
zebra doves, peacocks, and peahens. Also, high blood pressure. That's our local remedy. The other one was at
Daming manok
11:30
na
this
may mga
morning.
sisiw.
They usually pick that area.
We're here now. Naka-tour na kami, my friends.
All right, everyone, have a nice evening. Please watch your...
Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, the bird is almost bumped my head. Wow. The peacock knows how to show. Love it. Ito ang sabi nila, dito daw sila naglilitson sa ilalim. Ba yung tinakpan na nila, oh.
Yeah. Kasi mamaya i-dig in nanda.
May litson doon?
Come on.
Oh. Oh yeah? Yeah, and get tamarind. Kukuha kami ng, ayan, may sampalok, maasim nun. Pwede magkuha ng sampalok? Abong iti. Maraming pupo ng chicken. Oh, be careful. That I'm using for my sinigang.
Hanggang.
Oh. Yeah, look. But I cannot get it. Uy, mga panindog may mushroom. Ay, hindi ka abot. Pabi rin. Ibo rin hilaw yung nakatubi ng baba. Ito siya, mayroon
That's
dito
sour.
sa palok. Oh,
This is where you use sinigang.
yeah.
Here, come on, Zoe. You
Look
have
at
one.
this. May mga sampalok silang puno. Ayan ang mga niyog. Malaki sa taas, oh. Hinog na. Oh, it's already ripe. Ang dami. Oh, tingnan natin. Oh, ayan, oh. Daming bunga. O sa Pilipinas ang taas-taas ng tamarind. Ang taas-taas. Ay, ito may malaki. I'm gonna get. Oh, wait. Okay. This is sour. Ayan, I got 4. Chari ka na picture ako, oh. Walang problema magawa ng suman. Ayan, oh. Nakating namin yung cake. Oops. May puno ng gumamela, kaya nakakuha ako. Do I have more? Oh. May guyabano, my friends and friendship. Ang daming bunga. Andoon sa taas. Ay, mayroon pala dito. Ito ang guyabano. Ayan. Ayun. Ay, madami, oh. Diyan, daming guyabano. Let's see. I'm gonna check this one. Oh, look. Oh. Because you know the chicken will eat again, Paul, you're gonna die. Ano? Oh, may pupo chicken na. Marami din sa Pilipinas tayo. Yan. Santan kung tawagin sa amin.
Here in Hawaii, so get it proper. Also to the left, you can see the scene for the show and tell.
Lakad tayo. Tingnan niya. Chicken. A chicken. Pam pam. Let's go sa bahay ko. Yan, may mga saging sila. Sarap magpasyal. Sarap mag-walking. Magja-jogging every morning. Magandang lugar. Ay, nako. Ayan po na tayo doon sa may bahay ko. Look, tingnan nyo my friends and friendship, oh. Yung sa Pilipino ito. May mga heritage talaga. Filipino village, ayan. Okay. Can you take me a picture, baby girl? Can you take me a picture? Hold on. Oh, Filipino heritage. Come on.
Ready?
Yes. Oh, take me a picture. Oh, come on. Come on here. Where's the door? Out here. It's the Filipino village. Come on. Girl, can you take me a picture? Oh. Ay, laki-laki, oh. Laki-laki ng cheek ko. Let's go na. Let's go na. Doon nililoto ang matzo nila. Baba. Agoy kuwa.
Before we light that firewood up, we're going to place some rocks on there. Rocks we use is lava rock. Lava rock is porous, which means it has holes in it. This is the type of rock you want to use when you're cooking underground, because most rocks are solid. Solid rocks will heat up to so much they can't take the heat and they burst like a bomb. Style of cooking is called kalua. K-A-L-U-A, kalua. No H in there, that would be like... Alright. How about a hand for the guys here? Alright, so the pig is not
Yun ang litson nila.
If you're going to take a look, a little distance away, everything is very, very hot. Pig farm here.
Teka, i-vlog ko.
His head is up on my left side. He's like that.
Ano kaya ang itsura nun?
Sorry, no tasting at this time.
Excuse me, I was trying to
Oh.
Smells good.
Filipinos are different
No, lechon, yeah. That one more baked and
I
more
know.
crispy skin, yeah.
Yeah,
This one
I
no more
know.
crispy skin.
It's amazing.
Because this one is steamed. It's
Oh
like,
yeah, it's looks like that.
watch out, it's really hot.
That was delicious.
Yeah, that's it.
And the skin is not crunchy.
No, yeah, because it's steamed, not
It's so
baked.
yummy.
It'll taste really good.
If it is your birthday, I don't have your name. Just stand up really quick. How about a big round of applause for all the birthday babies here? Happy birthday. Back there too? Yeah. Happy birthday. Wonderful. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Daming
Now we know who you are. You.
Pagkain namin. Oh, ayan. May macaroni. Ewan ko ano ito. Steak. Ito lang broccoli. Ayan. At meron silang pudding.